We have here Asus FX506HE that has black screen. Customer said he received a problem with the BIOS. So I'm going to show you how to do the BIOS here. We downloaded the BIOS from Asus and we extract it. I'll show you that there's black screen. And I'm going to install it right now. The one that I download, I'm going to install it right now to a programmer. I'm using this programmer, which I like. We're going to detect the chip. And it's detecting. We're going to erase the chip. And once the chip is erased, you see the laptop is working still with black screen. I tried a few different tricks to remove the battery, but it's still doing the same, as you can see. Let's give it a shot. Still, I tried to reset it, but it's still the same. I tried to replace the RAM, still the same. So we're going to program this BIOS chip. This BIOS that I downloaded from Asus. You need to extract the body of the BIOS. You can Google it how to do it. And once it's ready, I will program it inside and we'll see if that will work. But first of all, we need to take the BIOS file that I extracted, open file, and I'm going to go here, BIOS recovery tools. I think I put it here in Asus UEFI tool. I don't remember where I put it even. I think it was here, BIOS recovery, and it's under Asus. And it's here, no. UEFI to new engine, no. I don't remember where I put it, honestly. So here is the BIOS, I found it. I extracted using the UEFI tool. And now I'm going to program it. We're going to program it to the chip. And then we're going to replace the chip and see what will happen. So far I didn't have luck to have it running only once. Unfortunately, it didn't work. We're going to try one more time. If I get lucky, I will not need to remove the chip. If not, we're going to desolder the chip. And after that, we'll take it from there. We'll take the microscope. Yeah. It's not a must in case of a BIOS chip, but why not? Let's try to do it. It's not turning on. Still black screen, right? Is it on at all? Yeah, still black screen. Let me see if it's on. No, it's on. Yeah, still black screen. Okay. Soldering tools. Getting things ready. Light. Okay. Soldering iron. Flux. We'll get this chip ready. Camera. Camera. Goody. So, okay, it doesn't work. So this was this. The only way is to reprogram the BIOS chip. Okay. I will let even the customer see the video in case he wants to see what I did. So I think it's a good idea to remove the bat so it will not bug me here. Yeah. This is the BIOS chip here. Let's do this. Oh, there's another screw. Good. Goody. Too many screws. No, I'm not going to remove the motherboard. There's no point. The BIOS chip is here. We will put something here. And then we will see how this will work with the BIOS. Let's see now. Let me get it in. Yeah, the BIOS is here. So it's fairly easy to do it. Let me put focus for you. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, close the keyboard. Good. So now we're waiting until okay. So, flux. I'm going to lower the melting solder with lower temperature because otherwise we need to use too much air. A little bit of flux. This is, by the way, a cheap flux that I bought from AliExpress. Very good one. Doesn't cost a lot and work nice. So we're going to solder the legs of the chip. I'll just make a photo just in case. Give me a minute. Make a photo. No, here. I'll make a photo of the chip just in case so we'll have it. Good. Now let's take this and solder the legs. This will lower the melting temperature. Yeah. I don't need much, just a tiny bit. It will be easier to remove it. This way there will be no risk of damaging the motherboard. I will use way less heat. That's how I do it, yes. And that's way safer. Okay. 2. Yeah, baby. That will be way safer. Good. This one is not really soaked. Put a little bit here. Yeah, perfect. So all the legs are soaked. So we'll finish the programming and we'll replace the chip together. Now we are just, we programmed the chip, okay? Now we're going just to verify it. It will take about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to swap this chip with the chip that programmed and hope for the best. It should work. I hope. Where's the dot? Just to make sure where the dot is. Oh, I didn't see where the dot is. Okay, give me something to clean. Just to make sure we know where the dot is. Yeah, I need to know where the dot is. I'm not sure that I can see it. It's not a smart thing to do, not to check where the dot. Okay, so the dot is here. Oh, okay, it's marked, you see? Good. So we have a mark here of the dot. That's one thing that we need to bear in mind. Okay, so the program are almost finished. What I like to do once the program are finished verifying, it's important to verify because otherwise you might run in circles for nothing, so it's a good idea. Okay, so we have it here. It's finished. Now, the right thing to do, take the programmer out and remove the chip. First thing first, we're going to remove this chip. We don't really need a microscope for that, but we're going to use 300 degrees. 300 is enough. We're going to remove the chip in the same position. I'm going to remove it like this. I don't really need a microscope for this. Don't need a mic for this. 300 degrees. Yeah, chip is out. Good. Now we're going to remove the other one and immediately program the other one. Yep. Yep. It's a thick board, that's why it takes time. I think I'm going to raise the temperature a bit. 400. Okay, chip is out. Okay. chip is in. Yeah, I know there's a little bit of short. We'll remove it. Good. Let's remove it. And let's clean the short a little bit. Yeah, baby. 2 minutes. Yeah. Short is cleaned. It's not touching. Let's do it here. Good. Now we'll let it cool down and we'll test it together. Okay, we're cooling up the board now. I'll just make sure one more time that there's no short, that everything is well. Yeah, it's soldered properly. Yeah, everything is good. The dot in the right place, and that's what we need to do. Okay, let's have a look now and see if it's working. I just want to cool it down a bit. Will that help? Yes. Yeah. Now let's give it a shot. Power button, power jack, and here. Okay. Yeah, it's cold. Okay. Let's see now if it will work. I programmed the chip. I programmed the one that I extracted didn't work, so I'm trying the one that I download. I found one on Telegram. Let's see now. Yeah, it turns on. Turns on. Let's pray. Turns on. Yes, yes, it's working. Yes, 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 it's working.